Product number 18, Petrol. Do you want on-site petrol storage without the hassle and expense of burying and installing an underground tank? Our above-ground petrol tanks are available in capacities of up to 3,000 litres. These systems are tried, tested and used to maintain the grounds of some of the most iconic football clubs and golf courses. Tuffa prides itself on being one of very few above-ground petrol tank manufacturers. We can offer compliant petrol tanks with safety features including an integral bund and fire protection. Our systems are welded using premium grade mild steel and topped with Durbar steel. This makes the tank extremely durable with a 10-year warranty and 20-year design life. All our petrol tanks are available with various pumps and a flow meter. For more information and expert advice or to place an order, contact our friendly sales team.